What is good, my unique babies? I am back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my lip gloss base that I just ordered from Noprobllama. If you guys are interested in this lip gloss base that I'm going to show you guys, make sure y'all go in the description box below and click that link so you guys can get the same thing as me. I only got this for $64 and I think 9 cents. That's including shipping. But yeah, make sure you guys go inside the description box and like and follow all my social medias. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe to this video, and share this video with a friend. So yeah, let's get right into the video. So yeah, I forgot to mention, I am going to be making some lip gloss. I'm going to show you guys how I look with the when I make the lip gloss. So things that you guys are going to need, well, this is what I need, well, this is what I use for my lip gloss. So yeah, first thing we got is some oil. I got me some oil. It's coconut oil. Make sure you have a bowl. I have this measuring thing. Well, it's not a measuring because the thing is kind of big, so I need to scoop it to put it inside the bowl. As you guys know, make sure you have some syringes. And here I have some lip gloss pigment. I'm going to show you guys as I get it all out. I have some accessories for my lip gloss. I have some, as you guys can see, some flavor stuff to my lip gloss. This flavor that I have, the flavor stuff that I have is, I got all this stuff and it's at this bag, which is the pigment, the accessories, and the, what do I want to call this? The flavor. I got all this from what did I get this from? AliExpress. So yeah, if you guys are interested, I will put the link because you can go straight to them inside the description box below. I'm just getting some more stuff out. Oh yeah, before you guys, I just gotta wash my hands. So before you guys get started, make sure you have some gloves. That's another thing that you will be needing. This is just to make the lip gloss, but yeah, make sure you guys wear gloves and make sure y'all wash your hands. Okay, I'm back. So another thing you guys gonna need is some tubes. I already set these tubes inside the bowl and let them rinse out. When I rinse out, I let them inside the bowl because I don't know where these packages was, and I want my supporters to be healthy and not get sick like me. So only thing I think I did wash these tubes off. Yeah, these are the tops to my lip gloss. These are the tubes. If you guys are interested on where I got these tubes from, please comment below and I will tell you guys. These are the tops that goes on lip glosses. So yeah, I think this is 85 tubes in here. I got this from Amazon. And last but not least, I'm going to show you guys. Oh yeah, and if you guys want to, I do be using food coloring inside my, food coloring inside my lip gloss. It do not stain your lips or it doesn't do anything harmful, See you guys. Okay, this is how the my address. This is how the package came. It came like inside, but I was thirsty, so I opened it. If one thing that I should let you guys know about Noprobllama is you should always click FedEx, so do next day shipping, because I did next day shipping, but my stuff still did not come next day shipping. I don't know what the problem was, but yeah, this is the bucket. Okay, you guys, this is the bucket right here for Noprobllama. Me and you guys are gonna be opening together, even though I already saw on Snap, but I want you guys to see. Oh yeah, one more thing is you guys should need, I don't know where my spoon is, but you always should have a spoon, but I'll have to get a new one because I don't want to use a spoon that I just lost and then put it up on the lip gloss. So I'm going to be opening this with you guys. Wow, so slimy. This is how this is how it looks, you guys. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this is how, I don't want to spill it. It looks like this. I hope you guys can see. It has a lot of bubbles in it. Oh wow. Oh my god, where's, I'll be right back, you guys. I'll have to get a spoon. Okay, you guys, I'm back. Right now I have a plastic spoon. And I have a thing to mix it with. Look at this, you guys. That's just, but I gotta show you guys. It looks so satisfying. I really hope to show you guys. So yeah, you guys, that is so satisfying. Like, oh my god, look at this. I don't know. I will be ordering from them again because this is so satisfying. So yeah. So yeah, you guys, y'all see, I give this, if I had to rate it from 1 to 10, I would give this a 10 because I think it's so satisfying. And this is only a 6 pound thing. But when I did it with what's that called? When I did it, well, when UPS weighed it, it came out to 7.30 pounds. So this is something that I really would recommend you guys again. This is something that I really would get again. Like, yes. So if you guys want to get started, we actually can get started. I would like to take you guys on how I make my lip gloss. So yeah, let's get right into the video. Oh yeah, before we get into the video, I'm about to have to locate the camera because the way I'm sitting, y'all cannot see, and I'm gonna make it right here. So yeah, y'all gonna have to come along. So the first thing you guys should get is your bowl. I recommend you guys get a bowl from, I know I kind of look weird from this angle, y'all, but make sure I get a bowl from like Dollar Tree. Like I told y'all in my last video. If y'all not watch my last video, business 101, you should go and definitely get your supplies from Dollar Tree, which is like your bowls, spoons, and stuff after you get all your materials and stuff. Because ain't no point in getting that bowls and spoons and stuff and you don't even have no materials yet. So yeah. If you guys into that video, if you guys interested in what I want to go, what I say inside that video, make sure you guys go, you know, mess around with it. So I'm gonna be taking this. I'm gonna be scooping just enough. Whoa. You guys can see that? Oh wow, okay. Y'all, this stuff is really like, a little, just until I can see what color I want to do. So a thing I do to see what color I want, I'm probably like get like something small and just play around with the colors to see what color. But most likely I'm gonna make like a maybe I should make, I want to show you guys the last colors I made. But okay, right here's what all my lip gloss that I have left. When I first started my business, I was always put my lip glosses inside of here. So yeah, this is all the lip glosses I have left. So let me see. This right here, I can't show y'all that one. This right here was my Valentine's Day lip glosses I was selling. If you're interested, please go click on the link inside my bio to go to my business. I think I used, to make this color right here, I just made this one. But I didn't make it with Versagel, I made it with Vaseline. So if you guys are interested in that, just, if you guys want to, well, I can't tell you guys right now the difference between them. Okay, so the difference between Versagel and my Vaseline is kind of thicker than a Versagel, and it actually helps your lips. And my Versagel, I started off using Versagel when I first started making lip gloss. So I thought it was really like, it's really glossy. So yeah, this is what I made with the you know, Vaseline. I'm probably gonna make it, I'm probably make this color. If you guys can see this, right? I'm probably make this color, but with the Versagel. And what I used to make this color is, I think this. I used it. No, wait, which one did I use? Yes, I used this, but I only used a little of it to make that. Why I used it? No, I'll use this one. I use this one to make this. Yeah, you guys, I used this to make that color. So y'all make some of that, but I'm gonna make it glossy. I'm gonna show you guys the difference. Okay, you guys, I am back. So I'm finna, like, I already showed you guys how the Versagel look in the bowl. Now I'm gonna be adding, I don't know, it's called, I forgot what it's called. I'm probably insert it right there, like a image somewhere on the screen, but I don't know what it's called, but it's something that like you can use to put like how many drops of whatever that you want to use in it. I can't do it right now, so what I do is gonna put the oil. Not that much. You guys don't start off with that much oil. Yeah, wait, I gotta show you guys. I put some oil in there. Now I'm stirring it. You see how like sticky that is? Like if you, I don't think you guys can see. Hold up. Do you see how sticky this is? Like still, like thick. I don't want my. I don't like my lip gloss runny, but I don't like it like stiff. So I'm gonna add some more, cause it's not the Vaseline. It's not Vaseline kind, so I don't want it like that. So just get it to your liking, but for me, this is how I like it. I'm gonna just keep stirring. Okay, so if you guys want to see, this is how it came out, like this. Like you guys can see, but that's how it came out, like this. So yeah, I'm gonna just, it's look, it's really not, it's not as thick as before, but it's very much thick. And I do not like that, you guys. So let's start off. Sit your utensil to the side. If you want to, you can use more than one utensil, but for me, I use different utensils as I go. I should have brought a towel. Well, I actually do. Bring like a little something that's like wipe off the stuff with, not your spoon and stuff. Okay, you guys, I'm back. I just got it open because it was kind of hard to open. So this is how it looks. Hopefully you guys can see that. It's very like a pink, like real pink. I went to get another utensil, so that's what you guys want to do, just to put the pigment inside of there. But I only want to use a little. So let me show you guys how it looks when it's inside of there. Let me put this one up. This is how it looks. Only put a little dab, a little dab. So you're gonna take your utensil that you use to stir, and you're gonna stir it. Okay, y'all, this is how it turned out so far. If y'all can see this, hopefully y'all can. It's really lighter than this. I don't know why it's showing like that, but hey, it's really lighter than that. This is how it came out. Very, Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna show you guys the difference. I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so now I got one tube, one clear tube. I don't think you guys can see. Okay. I got one tube, and now all you need is a syringe. I got a big syringe, so yeah. Even though I'm running out, I need some more. Okay. It's so. Okay, guys, this is as much as I can put in the tube for right now. But this I'm starting off with. I still got a lot up in the thing. So this is how I Okay, guys, so this is how I insert my lip gloss inside the tube. So first thing you're gonna do is when you put it inside of it, you push down on the syringe, like the top of the syringe part. You push down. So now, I want you guys to see. Now your lip gloss is going inside the tube. But it's the thing. It won't keep stopping going. You gotta squeeze your tube as you go, so you can fill up the whole tube. Make sure you squeeze it. Oh, that's going in like this. Okay, as you guys can see. So if you don't want no bubbles inside your stuff, as you guys can see, that's really, look, that's all you gotta do is squeeze. So, yeah. Now I literally have none inside of here, but this tube is filled just with a little. So let me show you guys. This is the difference between my Vaseline lip glosses, which is the same colors and everything. It just looked more darker on here because the color really showed. Because I had my Vaseline had a color to it, which was like that yellowish kind of color. So yeah, this is the difference. As you guys can see, I don't think you guys can really see it. But yes, this is how it came out, and this is my my Vaseline lip gloss. So yeah, I'm gonna make a couple more, and I'll get right back to you guys. Okay, guys, so this is how I just put the top on there. As you guys can see, if you guys can see, I just put the top on there, and this is the cap that goes on there. So this is how it turns out. I don't know why it looks so. Hold up, fix my camera a little. Okay, I hope you guys can see that. It's so pretty. I'm gonna take some pictures and insert it at the end, but I'm gonna finish putting all of this that's inside the bowl inside the tube, and I'm gonna get back to you guys so I can show you guys. So yeah. Okay, guys, so this is how many I made so far. Well, this is how many I could make with the stuff that I have inside the bowl, which is 3. So mind you, I only had a little in the bowl, so I only started off with a little so I can see like how it is. So I really like these ones compared to the one that I made with Vaseline. I like these more, and it's more like glossier on your lips. So I'm gonna show you guys. See? Okay, you guys, I'm back. So this is how the lip glosses look, and this is versus with the, which color, which one do y'all like better? Let me know inside the comment section. So yeah, I'm gonna start cleaning up this to make a new color. So yeah, I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so far I washed out the bowl and the spoon that I'm using, but this is like a different spoon. I just rinsed it off. I got a new utensil spoon. I threw away all the other stuff. I washed out my syringe, but the only thing this is why I say you have to buy a lot of syringes. The only thing with syringes is I need to find something to clean out the tube, so it's still like kind of stained, but it's not gonna show. Hopefully it's after which color, but I'm gonna take a break before I make the other color and eat my wings. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys when I'm done. Okay, you guys, I am back. So now I decided I'm only gonna do 3 colors, which I just got done doing pink. Now I'm gonna probably do yellow next, yellow. But I just got done eating and now I just washed my hands, so now you know, new pairs of gloves. Clean your utensils. That's why I say go get some bowls and spoons and stuff from Dollar Tree. It really help and make you guys not have to wash dishes as much. But yeah, I just use the same bowl and everything, and I wash out the same syringe, or unless I want to use my new ones. But I really don't want to use my new ones right now because I'm only making 3 colors. So yeah, and I really need to buy some more. So same stuff that we did last time. You see, clean bowls and clean everything. So I'm about to, since I just showed you guys, I made 3 of these. Now I'm gonna make 3 more. 3 more. I got 3 more tubes because I'm making 3 more. And yeah. So like we did the first time, we're gonna get some lip gloss base. Put it inside the bowl. I did not wash this, just to let you guys know. I did not wash this because I'm only using it to get the lip gloss base out, but I will wash it at the end when I'm done with this video. Okay, you guys, I'm back. So basically, I already just added what I was gonna add to it. Now I am gonna open up this. Like I told y'all, change our gloves. Change our gloves. Y'all don't want to be doing it with the same gloves on.
And
Excuse me. Excuse me. So yeah, you guys, I changed my mind. First I was gonna do the yellow, but this top is really hard to open. So I'm just going to be showing you guys how I do it with the food coloring. I'm gonna do one with the food coloring. Like, why not? So I'm gonna be trying to make a mint color with green. So you don't want your lip gloss to be thick at all. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more to it, even though I don't need to, but I'm just gonna add a little bit more. But to make mint for me, I'm going to be just putting like a dab of, like a little drop, like 2 drops. No, 1 drop of food coloring. So yeah, like I said, your oil. I don't want mine to be really sticky, so I'm gonna show y'all how much oil I put in there. Wait, I don't think you guys can see, but you guys see all that oil right there? That's as much I put in there because I feel like it'd be too, you know. I think I put too much oil, but hey, you gotta just keep mixing. Look at this. This is what I don't want. I don't want my stuff to be this watery or that color. I don't like that color. Because I put too much in. So it's actually, and I'm probably make some clear tubes too. Just a little bit more. Okay, you guys, so this one actually came out like kind of like, I don't know what the color is. Not cream, but it's clear, but it's not clear as I want. It came out like a little different type of color, but it's okay because I think I put, due to my oil being kind of yellow, my mint color, and Vaseline, as you guys can see. Yeah, I hope you guys see it. Hold up. See, this time I make color look, you guys. So, and it smells so good. I just noticed I did not add no flavor. I gotta add a flavor in this mint, y'all. But look at this mint. Oh my god, I love it so much. This is how this mint look. Looks so good. Look at this. Man, this came out kind of cute, y'all. I really like this. And like I've been saying, if I put it on my lips, you guys, it don't show no color. It's just really glossy. This is how it came out so far. I hope you guys can see. This is how it came out. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Okay, y'all, so now I'm finna fill up the tubes. So, you know, get your little syringe. Put the fingers. Ooh. Be kind of careful with that, y'all, because this stuff hurt. Okay. Okay, so like I've been telling y'all, get something to wipe it off with. So now, all you gotta do is get your tube, like I told y'all, we was doing the other one. Squeeze the bottom. Squeeze again. Squeeze again. And it's 4 of them. Yeah, see? Ooh, I'm gonna drop that. Okay, that's one. I'll do the other ones. Wait, actually, I'm gonna fill it up again. When I'm doing my when I'm doing this with Vaseline, I actually put it inside the tube a different type of way. So, oh, I didn't say I could put that inside here. No, because I don't want that to turn into. start getting y'all. But ooh. One thing I'm really finna get y'all is some almond oil. I've been doing real research and I've been finding out that almond oil is one of like a good thing for your lips. So I'm probably insert the picture somewhere over here. Y'all will see. Okay, that's the remove tube. Okay, let's go. I don't like that one, y'all. It wasn't full at the bottom, and I really like all my stuff to be full and to look right. Definitely, if I'm selling it to you guys, I need everything to be right. So my lip glosses, as I already told you guys, is $3. The reason I charge $3, if you really want to know like why I charge so high, you can go watch my business 101 video that I just posted like a couple days ago. Make sure you guys go like that video and stuff. But the reason why I only charge $3 because I'm actually making my lip gloss. But yeah. And if like you making your own products, then I think you should charge. Definitely, if you're making them by hand and buying all the products yourself, it's not like you getting like no wholesale or nothing.
"2,000 years later."
Okay, so these are the ones I just made. Yes. Compared to this one, if y'all can see the difference, this the one that's with the Vaseline, this is the one with the Versagel. So, I'll be back, you guys. I'm gonna go wash and clean up my space so I can make the last color for you guys. Okay, you guys, I'm back. I now just got on washing out the bowl, getting a new utensil. Move these out the way here until I finish, as you know, making my okay guys, I'm back, so I'm finna make my last little thing before I end out the video. So yeah, I don't know how I made 9. That was my mistake, y'all. I told y'all I only made 8. I made 9. It was too many, so yeah. Wait, did I make? No, because I think that one right there is actually not Versagel. I think this one is. Yeah, you guys, I was right. I only made 8. That was Vaseline, that one. So, and this is Versagel. I just used the wrong spoon, but this is how much is in here. So yeah, this is how much is in here, you guys. As soon as I get done with this video, yeah, I will be editing so it can be up by tonight or in the morning. But yeah, once again, you guys, you already know it's real thick. Everybody already knows that. If you guys been watching this video, add the oil, but not too much. Ooh. Okay, just in case you guys want to see how it came out. Very runny. Well, not runny. It's very like, it's like it's right for me because I have to clean up my mess after. Okay, so now I already made the mint color. I made a pink. Now I want to make a yellow. I really want to make a yellow. Okay, you guys, so I got the pigment open. Yeah, I don't know what type of flavor should I do. I have peach. I have, what's this? I have vanilla. I have cherry. I have rose. I have ostrich. I have watermelon, coconut, and peach. I think I'm gonna do peach. I don't know why, but some told me to do peach. Definitely since I didn't put it on inside the other ones. This will be enough. Just because I have a lot. Please ignore the noise inside my background once again. You know. Oh my god, I really feel like I put too much pigment, y'all. This smells so good. Oh my god, I'm happy I put, wait, what did I put? Peach? Oh my god, it really like a peach, like, yeah, I can see for real. But it really like a peach kind of color. And the picture I'm gonna put in here is gonna really like a peach color. how they came out, you guys. These are the ones that we made today. Okay, you guys, thank you for watching this video. I'm now just cleaning up my mess and stuff. But hey, you guys, thank you for watching this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And share this with a friend if you want that wants to start a small business doing lip gloss. I showed you guys the 6-pound lip gloss base, and I made 3 kinds of lip glosses, which I'm also up here. Make sure you guys go follow me on Instagram, add me on Facebook and Snapchat if you guys want to. Make sure you guys go subscribe to me and my boyfriend channel. Get our subscribers road to 60 subscribers. Make sure you get us to that. Thank you for watching this video, my unique babies. If you guys are interested in how the lip glosses look, I'm gonna insert the pictures after this after this outro. But yeah, just make sure you guys like and have a nice day.